All right, hello. I want to make a help video real quick on writing the polynomial in standard form that has these solutions. I'm not sure what question number it is because I had the questions randomly ordered, so that was an issue. And then I also messed this one up because I didn't list the right answer choice initially, so I went in and changed it now, but depending on when you did the assignment, the review assignment, it might have been in there wrong. So anyways, the right answer to this is if we have solutions of 5, -5, and 1, we write out little factors that are essentially the reverse. So if we had a positive 5 answer, that must have been an x minus 5 factor. If we had a -5 answer, that must have been an x plus 5 factor. All right, and then if we had a positive 1 answer, that must have been an x minus 1 factor. All right, so it would look like that, and then we just multiply them all together to get it in standard form. So to do that, I would multiply the first two and then take that result times the end. So if I multiply the first two, I just FOIL x times x, 5 times x, -5 times x, and -5 times +5. And then we're in luck because the middle two cancel out, which is kind of nice. Okay, and then I'm going to bring down the last thing, which is just x minus 1. And now multiply these together. In class, we do a big grid for this, but since they're both binomials, I'm probably just going to FOIL again. So x squared times x to the first, x squared times -1, -25 times x, and then -25 times -1 is +25. And so I messed this up. If you don't have an answer choice in there, that's because I messed it up. I think initially I had a subtract here in the right answer, which should have been a plus. So anyways, this is the right answer. As long as you got that, you're okay. Sorry for the confusion, and hopefully this helps. All right, have a good day.